Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the latest gadgets and tech to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the Samsung HW-Q600C soundbar. Now, if you're in the market for immersive audio without breaking the bank, this might just be the one for you.
let's jump right in.
So, what's the deal with the Samsung HW-Q600C? Well, it's Samsung's take on bringing Dolby Atmos and DTS audio support to your living room without the fuss. But does it deliver?
Let's find out. First off, let's talk design.
Samsung plays it safe here with a sleek and understated look. The soundbar and subwoofer blend seamlessly into your setup, with dimensions that won't overpower your space.
Plus, the wireless subwoofer means you can place it anywhere for that perfect bass. Now, onto the juicy stuff, features.
With a 3.1.2 channel layout and 360 watts of power, this setup packs a punch. The Q Symphony feature is a neat addition, syncing up with compatible Samsung TVs for an even bigger sound experience. And with adaptive sound technology, the HW-Q600C optimizes its performance based on what you're watching.
But let's get to the meat of it, sound quality.
Whether you're watching movies or blasting tunes, the HW-Q600C impresses with its detailed and balanced sound.
The subwoofer delivers deep, controlled bass, while the soundbar handles mids and highs with clarity.
However, it falls a bit short on the spatial audio front, not quite delivering the full Dolby Atmos experience.
So, should you pull the trigger on the Samsung HW-Q600C?
Well, if you've got a Samsung TV and crave immersive audio without the hassle, it's definitely worth considering. But if you're expecting mind-blowing spatial audio, you might want to manage your expectations. In conclusion, the Samsung HW-Q600C is a solid option for those looking to elevate their home entertainment setup.
While it may not fully deliver on the spatial audio front, its overall performance and sleek design make it a worthy contender in the soundbar market. And that wraps up our review of the Samsung HW-Q600C. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews. Until next time, happy listening.